All right, what's up? I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a Google slide. So, on the first day of school, this is gonna be one of the first things that I want you guys to do because I want you guys to get comfortable with using Google Slides. So, first thing you do, you're gonna go to Google. You click on the waffle. So every time I say the waffle, this is what I'm talking about. So, whenever I say click on the waffle, you click on these little dots up here. Click up here, you're gonna go to Slides, and you're gonna create a slide. Okay. When you go there, if you already started working on one, they'll come up here. As you can see, I've been working on a bunch of them. So I'm gonna click on this one, and that's the one that I was working on. So you could change the theme. So if you click on theme, you can change the way it looks. So like if I want to change it to look like that, I can do that. But I like this theme better. But you can click any theme you want. I mean, pretty much whatever theme you want to click on, you can click on it. You can click on the background too. So like if I click here, let's see. If I click here, I'll go to background. I could change the background color to pretty much any color I want to. So if I want to make it yellow, I'll make it yellow. And that'll be the one that I'll pick. So this is kind of how you change the theme. And like I said, you can do the same thing here. If I want to change that, I could change that. I could change it like this, like that. If I want to change the color, again, click on background and change the color to pretty much whatever color you want to change it to. So I'm going to go with the one that I had because it's easier to look at. I like using this one. It's just easier to look at for me. Whenever I get bored, I guess I'll pick a different one. But for you guys, I want you guys to pick whichever theme that you want. That we can do that. Remember, how did I get here? I click on theme and it comes up right here on the side. Alright, so what I want you to do is I'm going to send this to you as a copy. And also, when you click up here, it changes the name. So as you guys can see, it already changed the name to how to use Google Slides. Alright, what I want you guys to do is I'm going to want you guys to pretty much make your own slide. So I want you to change your name. I want you to tell me what school you go to. So up here, you're just going to answer it right there. You're just going to type in whatever school you go to. You're going to do, tell me 3 things you like to do. Alright, 3 things that you like to do. Let me change that to tell me 3 things that you like to do. Period. And you'll just write that right here. And I'll make it easy for you. I'll do it in bullet points. 1, 2. Alright. Let's do it again. Space. 1. Alright, there you go. So you're going to tell me. So just type right here. And you're going to tell me 3 things that you like to do. And I'm going to add another slide. And on this one, I want you to put a picture. So I'm going to insert an image. Let me see. Insert image. I'm going to hit upload from computer. And it'll upload it from the computer. So whatever picture I want to put on there, I can put one on there. I already have one saved to my pictures. Let me see. Do I have anything over there? There you go. So I'll put a picture, this one. And then you can make it small. So you mess with that. And you can pretty much move it anywhere. So if I want to put it right there, I'll put it right there. So what I want you guys to do, I want you to click on here. You're going to erase it. You're going to go to insert. You're going to go to image. Upload from computer. If you already have one saved on your computer, you can put that there. If you don't have one saved, what you can do, there's a couple things you can do. You can just take a picture. Everybody should have a camera. If you have a Microsoft or if you have a Windows, you can still do it. Just click on camera on the and as you can see me pretty much talking. You can just snap a picture and it should be saved somewhere. Okay, let's see. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to file. So if I go to insert image, upload from computer, as you can see, that's the one that I just uploaded. So that's the one that I just took, if you can see. So delete my picture and put one of you. Take a selfie, or if you don't have one, you can take a picture, or if you have it saved somewhere on the computer, you can also do that too. But for now, I just want you to take a selfie and upload it on here. Or if you already have a picture saved on your computer, go ahead and upload it on here. So that is the first thing that I want you guys to do. And make sure that you guys go ahead and do that. Alright, if you have any more questions, just let me know.